Hello friends, welcome to Little Creative Kids. Today we are going to make our beautiful origami garden. In this garden we are going to stick some flowers and ladybugs. Before going to watch my video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. And turn on the notifications also. Let's go to do that. Now take a square paper. My measurement is 5 x 5. Fold it half diagonally. Stitch it so clear. Then fold it half triangle. Stitch it so clear. Then another triangle fold you have to do. Draw a semicircle in that part like a petal. Now we have to cut that paper. Cut carefully. Now cut the corners. Hey, I got my flower. It's so nice. Now I want to do 3 more flowers with this paper. Hey, I did it! Now we have to do 4 more bigger flowers. My measurement is 8 x 8. Let's do this! Now make a half fold. Make another fold. This 2. Now make a half fold. Now draw a circle. Another circle you have to do. Then last one. Now cut the papers. Now cut the corners. Now take the flower. The bigger flower is so nice. Now cut this paper. This corner also. Oh, it's cool. Now I did 4 more flowers. Now we are going to make our ladybug. Take a square paper and fold it half diagonally. Now fold the upper corner like this. Then turn back and fold this corner little bit. Now leave some gap and fold this. Now fix into it. Like this you have to do on the another side. Fix it. Now turn the back and fold the remaining corners. Fold it. Now take a black sketch and put some dot. Now make eyes for this ladybug. Now shade the middle of this part. Now I am done with 1 more ladybug. Now we are going to prepare our craft sheet. Take a brown color and give a light shade. Now dark shade you have to color. Now our ground is ready. Now take a green color and shade it like as a grass. Now take the dark green and color it slowly. Now make grass like this slowly. Now sky you have to draw. Take a light blue and shade it. Now take the dark blue and color it. Color slowly. Now our craft sheets is ready. Now stick the flowers one by one, up, down. Like this you have to stick. Now stick slowly. Stick one by one. Repeat it. Until you stick all the flowers. Now we stick the flowers. Now we have to stick ladybug like this. Now draw the antenna for the ladybug. Now just fill up with blue. Now draw a circle in center of the flower. Now our origami garden is ready. Thank you for watching. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel.